Yo, what is good? It is your boy once again, 730 G Weezy. Find me on Instagram, YouTube. Make sure you check it out. Subscribe, hit that like button, share to your friends, share wherever it is. Today I got a quick one for you guys. Today we're gonna be doing a buzz cut, literally just a one high skin fade. And I'm gonna show you guys the steps that I take to get through this haircut. First, I'll grab my instincts and I will put my number one guard on top and take everything down on top. Now, because I will be doing skin on the sides, I do not come down the sides because that's just wasting time. I'll take my one, close that lever, hit the top, make sure everything is nice, even, symmetrical on the top. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. If you guys are interested in any tools that I will be using, I am with S.CRAFT and Gamma. You could use discount code 730GWeezy on either one of those websites and get yourself a great percentage off of everything there. So now I'll take my 16th guard and I'll just go around the crown. The crown is where the head curves. I will just use my 0.5 guard and hit that crown all the way around. Again, we are not going underneath that because that will be skin, so there's no point of going over something a bunch of times that really isn't going to be there anyway. Now after I'm done doing that, I will use my Gamma skins. These are like a trimmer. The blade is like the trimmer, so without dulling my trimmer, I use these for my skin. And I will create a guideline coming from the bottom of that vertical line on the lineup, and it slopes up towards the back and then to the vertical on the other side. After that, I will grab my Instinct X's, leaving that lever open, and I will start blending that bottom line into the 0.5 or the 16th guard that I just used. Flicking out, not creating any guidelines. I will just brush down with my brush and flick up with the clippers. Guys, this is a very quick haircut. This is something that we do a lot in my shop. We live near a military base, or even a lot of athletes, they'll be getting these haircuts too from my area. So now that that blend's almost completed on the sides, kind of just rough draft, I will take my Gamma skins again and I will just start taking down everything underneath that line that's not going to be there. Making sure that's nice and clean. I'll just go through with my Instinct X's again, just hit a couple dark spots I see, lighten everything up, grab my shaver. And these are the Metal Instinct shaver. These things are off the hook. These things bring everything down, and the heads and cutters on these things last forever. So I'll just use this on the sides, blending up into my Gamma skin. Hit that nice and quick. Now you guys could do this with anything. If there's a 2 on top, then you would use the 2. Then on the side, you would, the crown of the head, you would use a 1.5 and a 1, blend up into that, and then just go from there. Right now, I'm just picking around, seeing some dark spots, and I'm just cleaning everything up. A lot of times, I'm cleaning with my open, no guard, lever open, and just picking with the corners of my teeth, making sure everything's nice, symmetrical. I always finish a haircut with the warm foam straight razor. I'll straight razor the whole lineup, everything nice, crisp. Hit them with that aftershave, make sure everything's nice, cool them down, smack them with that talcum powder, and boom, your boy's straight. Once again, everyone, this is your boy 730 G Weezy. Make sure you guys follow. I'll be dropping some new heat weekly. Peace.